My 5 favorite movies from 2016. Toch? Denk ik.
Toch?
I don't know. 2016 was a great year for movies because there were a lot of movies that were coming out, not that different from any other year. I'm gonna name them in no particular order, so here we go. Number 1. The Huntsman Winter's War. This movie was about an ice queen that lived in her castle and had a lot of children that she raised, learned how to hunt and everything. One of them was the huntsman that we know in Snow White. There was one dramatic love story and it's a great movie. Number 2. Alice Through the Looking Glass. This is the follow-up movie from Alice in Wonderland. It's about Mad Hatter being really depressed about his family not being there and Alice trying to help him. The story is not what I expected, but it is cool. Number 3. Now You See Me 2. The first Now You See Me was awesome and I totally expected number 2 to be... It went higher than my expectations, so... Number 4. Miss Peregrine's Home of Peculiar Children. I haven't read the book, but I'm planning to, so I can see if it is similar to it. But I really liked the movie. The story was really original. I also like X-Men and that kind of stuff. So naturally I also like this one. Because the children have abilities that is fun to see in a movie. Shut up, fireworks! Number 5. Legend of Tarzan. Of course, everyone knows the story already of Tarzan being raised in a jungle by gorillas or chimpanzees or apes or something. This one's actually a sequel to the original story. So Tarzan lives at home with Jane and they get to hear a message, go to the jungle again to fix some unfinished business. And the story is really cool and also there are a lot of really crazy stuff happening. I like that movie also. Those are the 5 movies that I really liked that were released in 2016. If you also like them, let me know. If you liked other movies, also let me know. I hope everyone had an awesome year and I will see you in 2017. Bye!